Boy, do we have a wild one. Boy, do I have a wild one for you in this video. Uh, a few months ago, I posted a video on them trying to bring back the woolly mammoth. So it does seem like they are going to resurrect the prehistoric beast. They are taking many steps closer to actually bringing it to life. So let's get into this one. So credit to the brighter side news. Scientists use the elephant DNA to bring back the woolly mammoth. Scientists reprogram the elephant cells into a embryonic like state, a big step toward reviving traits of the extinct woolly mammoth. Wow. So so scientists have made a leap in genetic engineering by pushing elephant cells into an embryonic like state. This marks a major step toward recreating traits of the extinct woolly mammoth, offering new hope for biodiversity and climate scientists. Colossal's bold vision. That's the the uh, the team behind trying to resurrect the woolly mammoth. So Colossal's bold vision. The team behind this work, Colossal Biosciences, sees it as a path toward tackling big challenges, preserving endangered species, restoring ecosystems, and refining genetic tools while bringing back the mammoth is still far off. The science has taken a bold step forward. The roots of this breakthrough go back nearly 2 decades. Back then, researchers turned mouse skin cells into versatile stem cells called induced pluripotent stem cells. These special cells can grow into almost any tissue, making them key players in gene fixing. Since that first success, scientists have created iPS cells in several species, including drill monkeys and the northern white rhino, but elephants resisted the same methods, posing one of the field's toughest puzzles. And Harvard Medical School genetics doctor who co-founded Colossal didn't sugarcoat the difficulty. Quote, I think we're certainly in the running for the world record hardest iPS cell establishment, end quote. The process took persistence and fresh thinking. Dr. Dr. Hisoli, who leads biological sciences at Colossal, explained that standard protocols failed. At first, her team had to tweak a chemical recipe used on mice and human beings, carefully altering the gene TP53 to get results. The effort finally paid off. They succeeded in creating 4 lines of an elephant iPS cells. These resemble embryonic stem cells and could be used to engineer mammoth-like features such as thick fur, fatty tissue, and cold resistance. For for Dr. Church, the dream is to use these iPS cells to grow tissues like hair and blood in the lab that would let scientists test changes safely and gradually before trying to produce cold adapted elephants, bringing bringing them one step closer to a vision once thought impossible. So there you have it, my friends. They are inching ever so closely to creating a real life woolly mammoth. Wild, wild stuff, my friends. So, so people, so I do believe that this is the start of a real life Jurassic Park because it's gonna happen. Let's be honest now. Like some billionaire is gonna link up with a foundation like this, and boom, they're gonna create their own Jurassic Park theme park. Like it's gonna happen. Real life dinosaurs and shit within my lifetime, maybe not, but maybe in the lifetime of some of you youngins. So with that being said, thank you for tuning in to another edition of On the Air with Mark.